Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable or disable TalkBack on Android. In order to enable or disable TalkBack, first you'll need to open your settings app. A lot of options will pop up on your screen. From here, you'll have to scroll a bit and find the option Accessibility. You'll have to tap on that. Then you'll have to tap on TalkBack option on the very first. Here, as you can see, TalkBack is disabled. So if you toggle on the button right besides off, you will turn it on. Now, in order to disable TalkBack, you'll have to toggle the button back. And just like that, you have learned how to enable and disable TalkBack on your Android. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to enable or disable your TalkBack. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.